This will be the fourth in a series of electrical practice problems. In this video, we will again be looking at a problem related to series parallel circuits. Once I am finished with this series of problems, I will be posting them in my StanStore at this web address. Our task for this problem, number 4, is to find the resistance of this network at terminals A, B. Starting at the opposite end of the network from the terminals A, B, we begin looking for resistors that can be combined. For example, resistors that are in series and parallel. Note that none of the resistors in the middle of the network can be combined in any way. However, at the right-hand edge of the network, we see that the 6K and the 12K ohm resistors are in parallel, and their combination is in series with the 2K ohm resistor. This combination of 6K in parallel with the quantity 12K plus 2K gives us 6K ohm, which is in parallel with the 3K ohm resistor, which is equal to the resistance of 2K ohm. We can now redraw this circuit to look like this. Repeating this process, we see that the 2K ohm resistor is in series with the 10K ohm resistor, yielding 12K ohm. And that combination is in parallel with another 12K ohm resistor, which is equal to 6K ohm. This equivalent 6K ohm resistor is in series with the 3K ohm resistor, which equals 9K ohm. And that combination is in parallel with the 18K resistor, which equals 6K ohm, and thus the network is reduced to that shown here. At this point, we see that the two 6K ohm resistors are in series and their combination is equal to 12K ohm, which are in parallel with the 4K ohm resistor that gives us 3K ohm. This combination, which is in series with the 8K ohm resistors, yielding a total resistance of 8K plus 3K, which is equal to 11K ohm, which is the total resistance that we were to find at terminals A, B. This video is part of my electrical technical information series. In this series, I will be covering essential topics to help you understand electrical systems. These topics are small excerpts from my courses located in my StanStore, which you can access by going to this web address. By going to this web address, you'll be asked for your name and email address. By submitting your email address, it will not be shared with anyone else or any other company, and it will allow me to periodically let you know when updates occur in these lessons. Here is just a sample of some of the reviews that I've received for my courses. As I said, this is just a sampling, and I will apologize in advance for the brief look at them, but you get the idea that the courses have been highly rated, most of them 4.5 to 5.0 out of 5 points.